Hello and welcome to Junk Journal July for 2023. My name's Leigh. I'm from Australia, and during the month of July I'm going to create something in my little accordion journal using the prompts provided. These are going to be quick projects that I hope will motivate and inspire you to do something in your own journal every day. This is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. If you want to join in the fun, the prompts are available from Meg's channel. There's a link in my video description box. Okay, let's see what today's prompt is and get creative. Hi everyone, it's Leigh here. I'm so happy that you've joined me for day 9 of Junk Journal July. The prompt today is balance. So what I'm going to do with my papers is create a balanced background, so something that's similar on each side. Then I've got a cutout of a lady in a yoga stance that I'm going to pop in there. This is this little piece of ephemera I've had sitting around for a couple of years. My mum actually gave it to me. She cut it out of something and thought I'd use it, so I knew it'd come in handy one day. So finally it gets to be used. So I hope you enjoy watching the process with this, and it gives you some ideas on how you can do your own art page, and how to interpret the prompts too, because I find Meg's prompts can be quite challenging, because sometimes I feel like it's a more of an emotional prompt than a physical one in some ways. So more or less how something makes me feel, or what gives me the feeling that the prompt is. So this one was easy because it's balance, and to me balance means, well, to balance something you need to have equal things on each side. At first I wasn't sure which way to use this lady. I did ink her up and thought about using it as a silhouette, but then decided to use it around the other way. Alright, I hope you enjoy this. So this is how it finished off. I used Distress crayon and Stabilo pencil to add some highlights on the page and put a shadow underneath the lady's feet. And I really like the way this has worked out. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Let me know what you would have done for the prompt balance, or what you're going to do if you are taking part. I'd be interested in knowing that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment as I said, and if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you know when I'm putting up another video. And I'll see you for day 10, and until then, take care of yourself. Happy crafting. Cheers from Australia. Hooroo.